give you a straight view here. Good morning, everyone. It is December the 1st. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to go over these earthquakes, and when I get to Alaska, I will let you know how many there were. First of all, there was a 2.5 in Nevada at 3.6 miles in depth. There was a 4.7 Port Hardy, Canada at 6.0 miles in depth. A 5.3 Big Lake, Alaska at 60 miles in depth. A 5.3 Big Lake, Alaska at 59 miles in depth. A 5.3 Big Lake, Alaska at 57 miles in depth. A 5.1 Big Lake, Alaska at 26 miles in depth. And a 3.5 Anchorage, Alaska at 12 miles in depth. Now, total for all the earthquakes that happened in Alaska in the last 4 hours, there were 92 of them, ranging from what I just gave you, the 5.3s, to a 1.6. These were on the USGS site. All right. There was 1.5 Nevada at 1 mile in depth. There was a 4.7 Afghanistan at 63.1 miles in depth. These were on the EMSC app and the Utah app. Also, there was a 2.5 again in Nevada at 2.1 miles in depth. There was a 4.2 Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. Get to the other page here. There was a 3.0 in France at 9.3 miles in depth. All right, I'm going to go all the way to the Utah Earthquake Center app now and give you what they have there. They have a 2.1 in Bozeman, Montana at 2.6 miles in depth. They got a 1.6 Montana at Bozeman, 13 miles in depth. They've got a 3.1 Wyoming at 3.1 miles in depth. There was a 1.7 in Utah at 2 miles in depth. There was a 1.8 Nevada at 4 miles in depth. A 1.8 in Nevada at 6.1 miles in depth. There was a 1.7 Nevada at 0 miles in depth. And France had a 3.0 at 9.3 miles in depth. Now, France was the EMSC app. All right, and the reason I was giving you the Montana and Wyoming and Utah and Nevada is because they are coming down toward Yellowstone, and they never put it up. I just happened to look at it again this morning, and they had all these up. So Utah covers the Yellowstone area and region around it. That's all I have, guys. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching the video and subscribing. You have an awesome day. You guys are so awesome. 2 thumbs up.